Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to Happy Hour, but more importantly, Halloween Happy Hour. Halloween is this weekend, and I'm going to give you a few ideas if you're having a Halloween party, trick or treat, trunk or treat. I don't know what you're doing in your neighborhood. You're just having a few people over for a couple Halloween cocktails and some good times. I got a lot to get to. I want to get right to it, and a couple little tips, or not even tricks, or we're going to have some fun. Just stay tuned. Watch the whole thing. It's going to be loads of fun. So the first drink that I want to make for you is called a Grave Digger. Now, what you need is, what you have to do first is make or buy, you can buy the little cups or you can make some green Jello. So what you have to do is get a glass. This is my little Halloween skull glass. And I'm even going to show you how to have some fun with it afterwards. So put some ice in. And then on top of the ice, you want to put some green Jello. Now, after you make the Jello, I'm not going to tell you how to make Jello because everybody knows how to make Jello. You want to mash it up with a fork so it's going to be small enough to get through a straw. So there's that. I'm just going to set that right here for now. Set that off to the side for now. Let's get back to this. So on top of the green Jello, I need, it's a pretty simple drink actually. 1 part of Melon Liqueur, 1 part of tequila. Tequila is not just for margaritas, you know. Now, an optional thing that I am not doing in this drink is you could take some, raid your cookie baking cabinet, get some green glitter or green sprinkles, and rim this glass. But I'm going to do something else instead. So you can stir this. I'm actually just, you could shake it. I'm just going to stir it. Again, put that off to the side for now. And then you could strain it, but I'm just going to dump it right in. Just going to use my fingers because I don't want to dirty the strainer for this little bit of stuff. Some ice goes in there, so what? It's an icy drink. And then top it off with some lemon lime soda. Why is it all the way over here? I don't know. And then after you do all that, if you want to really have a fun drink, go to your ice supplier, get some dry ice. But whatever you do, do not touch that with your bare hands. Use a spoon, use some tongs, and if that's not a cool drink, I don't know what is. You could put, I'm actually going to put my Halloween straw in there. Wow, holy jeez. Look at it go, look at it go. You know why it's doing that? Because I put the straw in there and it's getting some air. So we're just gonna let that percolate away over here. If it didn't have that air in there, it wouldn't have done that. But the straw did that. So let's let that go. Next up is a drink called the Poltergeist. Poltergeist goes by different names. It's actually called a Poltergeist because, again, this drink is made with tequila. So, and I think there's a brand of tequila called Ghost Tequila. That's why I guess they developed it. On my board, I called it Poltergeist because I didn't have enough letters to spell poltergeist. So Again with the tequila. Two ounces of tequila. One ounce of lime juice. Some agave. A touch of agave. I'm not even going to measure it. Oh. And of course, I made a mess. And then here's the unusual ingredient for this is some coconut milk. Just a little bit of coconut milk. Buy that in a can at the international aisle of the grocery. Either the Latin or the Asian will have coconut milk. Shake it up. We need another skull glass. Sorry, I keep ducking. My ice is way down the bottom. This one I will strain. And if you would like, and you have it, because it's Halloween, that is number 2, the Poltergeist. Next, moving right along, is you see it right there. Now, for a candy corn martini, you need to do a couple of things. You need some candy corn vodka. All candy corn vodka is, the day before you're going to do whatever you're going to do, is get some candy corn from the store. I can't get this off of here. And put about a handful of candy corn in a mason jar or something with a cover, and then pour some vodka. I use vanilla vodka. You can use birthday cake vodka or plain vodka, just something along that lines, and let it soak overnight. The candy corn is going to dissolve, turn this orange, and then all you got to do is strain it. And then you have some candy corn vodka. Now, for a candy corn martini, it's 2.5 of candy corn vodka. And then pineapple juice. 1.5 of pineapple juice. Now, this is also made, you can layer this in your cocktail glass. Put the candy corn, then put the vodka, and then float the cream on top. But I'm not doing that because that's kind of tedious if you're having a party. Give this a shake. Get yourself a little martini glass. Now you could even, if you wanted to, you could even put some dry ice in this one. But this is more of a fun drink, so I wouldn't worry about it. And then on top of this, you can do several things. You can put some whipped cream. You can put some crushed up candy corn. You could garnish with candy corn. I didn't because we ate all the candy corn after we made the candy corn vodka. Or some orange sprinkles would be good. Or, I'm telling you, it's fine just as it is. So there you have it. 5 Halloween drinks for the adults, for the kids, and you can celebrate your Halloween party. I want to try this one, but it's going to be cold, so I just don't want to drink. And don't touch this stuff. Remember, don't touch this stuff. I can even get the straw down in there. It's going to be very cold. Actually, I should probably use a bigger straw. See, that froze right up. Dry ice is perfectly safe. You can put it in your drinks. So that's it, guys. Happy Halloween from Grantham Pub Underground. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the Grantham Pub Underground. Lots of fun stuff like this. Drinks, discussions, taste tests, comparisons, anything you can think of that's going to help you celebrate with your friends, celebrate with your family, and just have a good time. So until I see you the next time here at the Grantham Pub Underground, have fun, be safe, drink responsibly, and I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.